Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you right now. So, did you practice yesterday or today, Madhu?
Yes, I did.
Okay. So, do you have any doubt?
Um, I think I have no because I have seen your videos also.
Mm-hmm.
Like I've been through your videos, like how we have to see how these fixtures and
Mm-hmm.
um, the customized commands, how we have to use and all.
Okay. So, it is clear now, correct?
Yes.
And what about the page object model?
I think I didn't practice that. I have
Okay.
been through these two things.
Okay. No worry. Practice that one also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, today we start the assertion.
Assertion. Okay.
Yeah. Let me share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, separate notes. Today is 16th, correct? So, what is assertion? Any idea?
Um, Assertion means it's just a fact or something.
Mm-hmm.
A strong, belief kind of thing. Like
Okay.
uh, maybe I don't know.
Okay. See, like for example, if you're talking like you are giving the meaning of assertion like strong something belief, correct? Assertion. Yeah, but in Cyprus,
Maybe the declaration.
yeah, exactly. In Cyprus, suppose there is one spelling like I want to verify that spelling. For example. Okay,
Okay.
this spelling I want to check it out. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we have some assertion like let me go to more easiest way like what I'll do. Mm-mm-mm. I just open this one Cypress IO for better understanding.
Mm-hmm. Shakil, you're not sharing your screen.
Not sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, let me share. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I open this one. Else feature assertions. If better, I can just write on here. Cypress assertions. Can you see this one? Should
Yes.
not equal to Jen.
Not equal to Jane. Yeah.
Should deep equal to name Jen. Should have nested property. So this one you can say like not, deep, nested, ordered, any, all are the assertions. We are verifying the
Okay.
spellings and whatever, like, names. So it comes under assertions. So we have two types of assertion in Cypress. One is implicit and another one is explicit. Okay. So today we'll see the implicit one using the should. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like for example, see, Todd should equal to name Jane. Correct. Should be greater than 5. Should be at least 10. Like this. Come under assertions. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you this one is common assertions. See, here is a list of common element assertion. Notice how we use this assertion listed above. Length. Like for example, you need to check the length of a particular thing. So this one is a locator. Dot should have length 3. This is a locator form. Find
Okay.
input should not have class disabled. This one is come under length, class, value, text content. Should have text Joe Smith. Should include text Atlanta. Should not contain click me, like this. This one is come under visibility. Should be visible, should not be visible.
Yeah.
Existence, should not exist. State, be checked. CSS selector should have CSS text decoration line through. Should not have CSS display, like this. Disable property. Negative assertion you have like should have line 2. This all you can get it for practice purpose. Got
So
it?
what are all these, like, in which we will be using all these? Like, I got to understand the example, if I have
Sure.
written any spelling mistake. So if I use should, it will correct. But
Yeah.
what are all the other things where we have to use?
Yeah. So we'll do the practical one. So the idea will get clear now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So we have an example. Okay. So what I'll do now? Now I open this website. Okay. Just Amazon.in. I'll open this website. Okay. See carefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're using Edge, not Chrome.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm comfortable with Edge. It's not like that. Uh,
Okay, anything is fine.
anything is fine for me. Yeah. So here I'm using see Amazon.in. So can you see here books? Uh, let me click this one all. Here I can see help. Okay, I'll do one thing. Okay, let me go to this page and I just copy this line, this
Mm-hmm.
URL. I paste it here now. Okay, okay, this is a book section. Okay, got it. All
Yeah.
you can see all the books. So I now I want to verify that in my URL. Okay, in my URL whether
Mm-hmm.
book word is there or not. Clear?
Okay.
If you don't ask me,
So this is the locator.
see this one is book. One second. Yeah.
Is this the locator, Shakil?
Which one?
You have entered some thing, right? Some URL or
No,
something
no, no, no.
for books.
No, no, it's not a it's not a locator. See,
What's that?
see, actually, in this anywhere somewhere, there's one element books. If you go to Amazon.in, na, let me go here.
Mm-hmm.
You just search it here, Amazon.in. You will find one. Why this Amazon.in? One second, huh?
Okay.
www.amazon.in. Now see, somewhere you will find books column books. Let me check that books, so you'll get more idea. Where is that books? So Control F books. Okay, or add world as I do kitchen. Yeah, see, in this home and kitchen drop down, you can see Amazon
I
devices,
have books.
Amazon fashion, Amazon pharmacy. Can you see this one? Drop down values.
Yeah,
So
appliances.
yeah, so when I go to these books, okay, when I click this books element,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and when I search it, see what happened now. I cannot see B here, only B I am getting here. Actually, there is one, yeah, books. This one is books. Can you see this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the scenario is like that. When you open the Amazon.in, okay, when you go to this page and when you click on this books element, so you will get one URL.
Okay.
It is not locator.
Okay.
It is not a locator.
Okay.
It
Okay.
is a URL.
Okay.
So the scenario is that
URL for books.
you need to find out whether this URL contain books word or not.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see the code here. Now you go to this Amazon.in. Okay. So you click
Yeah.
that book. Okay. Dot click. Now the question comes, how you get this href, correct? Locator.
Yes.
You mean to say you are correct, like locator, but it's a link. You are going to click that link, correct? So you go to this
Yes.
page and just inspect it. It is a link now. So just
Yeah.
hover it and click on this book. You will get one href. Can you see? HRE books B,
Okay.
like this,
Yeah.
BA. I copy this one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this one. See, I copy and I click this one. So this page get open now.
Dot click. Okay.
Dot click. Yeah.
Okay.
So this page get open now.
Yeah.
This page get open now. What happened? Now I want to check it out whether this URL. So this one is current URL. Agree?
Yes.
So for current URL, you need to write down like this: cy.url. This one is your assertion. Can you see assertion? Should
Yeah.
include books.
Okay.
This UR
Okay.
this URL should include books.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now see this one is, see now second line, glow ingress line 2. So this one is a locator. So just I am copying this
For
one.
books.
No, not for books. Let me go to this. inspect it, Control F. I copy this one. See, one of one. So if you see carefully here, update location. Can you see update location here?
Yes.
Yeah, this locator is for update location. So what I am going to do should be visible. I want that the location should be visible here. So you can see it is visible, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Agree?
Yeah.
So this one we are using the assertion now. First one we use should include books. Second one is should be visible. Agree?
Okay.
Yeah. And and if you see carefully, its value is one. Means length. Its length is one. Can you see one of one?
So it's called length.
Yeah, length one of one. So we can see have length one and one. So now see, uh, no need to write again should. Okay, instead of that you can just write on and. Got my point?
No.
Like for example, if you are if you have 10 assertion, okay, and
Okay.
first you need to put should, but again there is no need to use should. Instead of should you can use and. So and treated as a should.
Okay. We don't need to use multiple times. Okay.
Exactly, because we are continuing this one, na, dot and have length
Okay.
one. We are continuing that one. Now again we are using different locator. Then the different locator you can use should again. But if it is continue with again should, instead of that you can use and also. Like in this case it's a continuing, should be visible and have length one, like this. If I control X, I put it here. So this is one continuous one. Can you see? Clear?
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is like one in one website we are using multiple.
In one website, if the line is continuing, without any locator now. See, one you are using locator. For this locator, you are telling that should be visible and should have length one, both at a time, na? For this locator. So instead of writing should again, you can just write on one end.
Okay. Okay.
Again for the different locator,
Okay.
again you need to write on should here. No need to write again. And now this one, if you go here, copy this locator, Control C, and go to your page, Control F.
Bit confusing.
Here is confusing. Yeah, Control Inspect. Sorry. Yeah, this one is I think dot. Now you can see one of four. Four uh, locators you have for this one. So if I click one, so one first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Can you see? Hello.
Yeah.
So what I am doing for this
Okay. That all comes under the column.
column, yeah, column, the footer column, you can say last one. Okay. So what I am going to, I'm checking out how many length is there. Like for example, one of four is there.
Shakil, your screen is getting lagged.
Okay. Now can you see?
Maybe the network issue.
One
Yeah,
second.
I am hearing your voice, and
Okay.
after few seconds, I'm getting the display.
Okay. Now tell me. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can see four column, you can say, and if you and see in the right hand side, you can see one of four length is there.
Okay.
Okay, see now, fourth one, third one, second one, and first one.
Second
So
one, first one.
yeah,
Yeah.
so I need to verify this website contain four length or not for this one. So see here, CY or get, this one is the locator, should have length 4.
Okay. Okay.
And again I find out the here one more locator. Now I just paste it here. Now inside this I am just looking out find href footer should have length 13. Means what? If you see carefully here in this line you will see some href is there. Href. Okay. Now for instance, if I take this one, control C space href. Can you see 1 of 13 here?
Yeah.
This one, see 1 of 13. So what is this href?
Why? One of 13. Okay.
Yeah, this is Facebook. Then again Twitter, sell on Amazon,
So
Booken.
what we have to take now?
Yeah, this one is
HREF is a link,
here it's a link
the
href.
URL.
Yeah, here it's a link. If you click on this, so you can see one href is there.
Is it getting load?
Yeah, once again.
Okay.
Can you see this href?
Yeah.
So I just need to find out whether this,
HREF
yeah, this
HTTP.
this link is having href or not. For example, if I go to amazon.science,
Okay.
see, can you see href? Got it? So if you see carefully, what I want to say that href should contain footer about us. Href, see footer is there. Can you see footer? Hello, hello.
Yeah, Shakil. I'm talking on mute. Sorry.
Okay, okay, no problem. So you need to find out.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. You this in this scenario, you need to find out this
Mm-hmm.
href should contain the footer one.
So, okay, I'm just confusing. Let me clarify this. So first we have find out the length
Exactly. So we have four length.
for this four columns.
Yeah,
Get to know us, connect with us, make money with us. Let's help you. So these are the four columns, and they should contain four length four. So first we have given the locators for this.
yeah, exactly. Locator.
Okay.
Have length, should
Next, we
have,
have provided the length.
yeah, should
Yeah,
have
should
length for,
have length.
yeah,
So next, we are providing the cy dot get for another um what's this called
yeah,
locator?
locator. See, in this case, what we are doing, we are finding out one link href which contain footer, like this href is equal to footer.
Okay.
So if you see carefully,
Okay.
this one is our locator dot find. This one is a parent and this one is child. Href, and we use star here. Can you see star?
Yeah.
Star indicate means it's searching in this whole line. If footer found, it will
Okay.
just clicking that one,
Stop.
or yeah, stop here. Correct.
Okay.
So should have length 13 na. So see, if you go line number first, for example, if you go to one second, where is the first one? First one, okay. You can see this href about us, okay. Now go to second one. Second is what, release. But when you go to carrier, for example, here href is there, okay, for this
But
one. One second.
yeah, it is there.
See, let me check. This one is for press release, correct? Yeah. But what
Yeah,
about what about
press
career?
release.
What about career? So career don't have href. Like, see, it doesn't have any. When you go to this, okay. Next one is
Okay.
career. Second one is press release, and third one is Facebook. Even though Amazon.science, let me check this one. See, href is there for Amazon.science, but we don't have footer in that one.
Yes.
So like this, in press release we have footer. So we are just checking out whether this href contain footer or not. Clear now?
Okay.
Even though you
Yeah.
even though you can just find out whether this href contain medium or not. Any word you can take, source or not. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So if you see
Yeah.
carefully, there is 13. You can say length. You can say links which contain href having footer.
Okay.
See, should have length 13. It is clear. I just run this one and click cypress open. It will be a little bit confusing for you, but you do practice.
Yeah, it is more confusing.
Hmm.
I got to understand till the length 4,
Okay.
but the next steps, yeah. So in a website, if we are having some hidden things like any of the items which we cannot find,
Hmm.
so we can directly give that in the search bar or finding with the URL.
Hmm. Right.
It gives the result.
Exactly.
It should give the result.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now first it will check the URL containing book or not.
Yeah. First, it go to the Amazon.in, and again we have given the URL for
Yeah.
books. So it checks for books now.
Exactly. See books, then
Yeah,
it goes to
we have
footer.
got books.
Yeah, see it's done successfully.
Yeah.
See first one is books. Can you see books? Contain include books. Green line means
Yes.
your test case
Yes. Yes.
got
Yes.
passed.
Yes.
Okay. Now second one is
Got passed.
this
Yeah.
one should be visible. This update location.
Yeah. The location should be
Yeah.
visible.
Second, the location should be have value or length one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Length one.
Yeah. Next one is your this line four.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It should
column.
go to the footer.
Okay, footer. Then you need to check it out whether the
Yeah.
href contain footer or not. See 13 links are there which having href with footer.
Okay. The remaining we
The
don't have.
the remain
Okay.
don't is the href is there but they don't have footer.
Footer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is not
Got you.
tough one, little bit confusing, but it is very easy, you know.
Yeah. It's clear now.
Yeah, it's clear na.
See, the only thing is it is finding for the footer.
Correct, correct. href containing the footer. Exactly.
Okay. So for careers, there is no HREF and there is no footer.
For career, yeah. If you see na, let me check it out. See, for career, if you go there na, see, href is there, but there is no footer.
There is no footer. Okay. Okay. Got you.
Got it, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is up to the, you know, like we can say scenario, like what scenario you're working on it. Some cases
Okay.
they are asking to check out all the spelling, like for example, career spelling is same, career is there. You need to check it out the spelling for each and every length, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this
So
case.
let's take some website
Hmm.
which don't have a correct spelling.
Yeah.
So then if we provide dot should it
Yeah.
should give the correct spelling or okay, we are checking for the spelling or we are correcting the spelling.
No, we are checking for the spelling whether this book
Okay.
particular passage having this correct spelling or not.
Okay.
So let me go again to
Oh,
this
sorry, I'm not
case.
developing right. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no worry, no
I'm
worry.
confusing between this development and testing.
Okay, see, now in this case, in this session, you can check it out. See, see, should have value,
Yeah.
correct value. If you check it out, the correct value, same given
Okay.
text, like for spelling, should have text Joe Smith, checking the spelling, even though you can use include also. Asset
Okay.
elements text include the given sub,
Okay.
like include dot text Atlanta, not contain click me like this. There are many assertion you can practice by looking at this one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one see
Okay.
cvar contain text data. This one is the locator. Hello. Use cvar content to find an element with its text matching the given regular expression. Should be visible, not
Okay.
visible. Yeah, you can check it out the existence or not. If you click on radio button, so check it out. What is after clicking on that radio button is it is checked or not. You can just put it should be checked. Sometime what happen? You click on
Okay.
the radio button, but it is not checked. So need to check that one. So the
Okay.
idea is clear, na Madhuri, what I'm teaching you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So this is assertion we can say.
Okay.
You do assignment for this one, like take any website and just finding out
Okay.
the different kind of spelling and use this website like docs of cypress.io. Check the spelling, disable, enable, exist or not, be checked or not exist, not be visible, be visible,
Mm-hmm.
for practice purpose.
Yeah,
Should have
yeah, because
length.
this is a lot more confusing. I really need practice for this.
Yeah, yeah. If you compare this with fixture and custom command, no, it's very easy.
Okay.
There is no logic here. Only
But the only
you,
thing,
you need to use the assertion.
yeah,
Should not class, should have value.
yeah. A
Yeah.
fixture is easy. Like when I got to understand
Mm-hmm.
how to use that.
Mm-hmm.
Here I am confusing, no? So that is the reason I am feeling a bit difficult. But yeah,
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
when
You
I got
just
to practice,
yeah, practice
maybe I
it.
can get.
Only see this one is your locator. Only put should here.
Yeah.
Should have value. So if
Okay.
yeah, you can get
Yeah.
different. Like for example, if I take one locator, if I write this dot should have dot text, you can get many different things. Have dot value. Uh, if I okay, I'll take one example here.
Mm-hmm.
Have dot length. No, so see have see always have been called on have about like different kind of thing you can get. Deep include decrease equal. This is the properties. Have class id have length above. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there are many more actually. Depends on which one you are using right now.
Okay.
Okay. So today we stop here, Madhuri. Okay,
Yeah, Shakil.
because
And one more thing.
yeah,
So here, what if we don't have the HREF?
you mean to say like for example, here we are finding out the HRF, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you just need to find out the locator should not contain the HREF.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we try one like that?
Okay. No worry. So basically, every line of code, if you see carefully, all are linked. HRF means what?
Just a link. Okay.
Link, correct? So here,
URL provider.
yeah, if you see here, all are having the URL, href. All are href. See, link,
Okay.
href. So,
It's a HTML
yeah,
HTML thing. Okay.
yeah, all having the href. So, if you find out whether this href is 0 or not in this line of code, okay. So, what I'll
Okay.
do, uh, 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 I'll write like this. I copied this one, paste it here. I just href, href. I remove this one. Okay, I'll take this one. First of all, I need to find it out what it contains. 21. I'm getting 21 here. One, two, three. All having the href, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So I can do one thing. 21 I can see, correct? Href 21. So all are
Yeah.
all having the
So
link.
length we can give the
Yeah.
21.
So what I'll do, I just go here. I just put it here 21. I've learned 21 and check it out. First one
Yeah.
I can use and again. See, find is repeating here now. Instead of find, I can use and now. Control. Now check it out here.
Okay.
Now see one. I got one error. See and okay. So the and is not taking correct. So what I'll do again? If I use fine, even though fine is not work here. Let me check once again.
Okay.
I need to do comment in that case because find is always followed by get. So we cannot
Okay.
use double find. I think yeah. So one find need to close or give comment. If one thing 0 is there, no? Now see here you can see expected undefined to have a length of 0. So you cannot write like this. Basically understand this why we are writing find. This one is the parent one. Inside parent you can just finding the child one here. Again inside this
Okay.
child you cannot find the child one. Got my point?
Okay.
Yeah. So in that case you just give comment
Yeah.
here and put it here 21 correct. Now check it out what happened.
Okay. Shakil, on Monday would is my joining, so
Mm-hmm.
I would need your help.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if I don't know some things, I will text you, or you should be on call like that, just to support me or help me.
Sure. But on this time only, by this time only I can help you. Like 9
Yeah,
p.m.
yeah,
to 10. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Yeah, I can understand. So anyway, uh, until 11, at least 11 to 12.
PM. You mean to say 12
No, no,
a.m.?
no. In my time, in my time.
No, in my time, what would it would be? I think
Let me see. Let me see your time.
yeah, maybe 11
Just
in the night.
so it's 10 10, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So until 11.
Okay, 11 p.m. So we'll do
Yeah,
one
11
thing. Na?
p.m.
We'll do one thing. We'll on Monday like we take by 10 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Class. Okay.
Is it fine now?
Yeah, it is fine for me. But the thing is, if I need some support or if I don't know some things, what should I convey to the manager or the things if
See,
they ask me.
see, no, no, no. See, I'll tell you. See,
Mm-hmm.
anyhow, if you are experienced person or fresher, okay,
Mm-hmm.
it is not like that. You just, first day only they will give you the framework and do testing. First, they will give,
Yeah, I know that.
yeah,
Yeah.
no worry, I'll help you, no worry. But first of all, they will give
Yeah.
you training on the project. Okay.
Yes.
Then in the second or third or fourth week, they will give you the cypress. Until then, you are expertise in that. No worry, I'll help you. No worry.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Just to make sure. Uh,
yeah, yeah. No worry, I am here only. No worry.
okay.
Shall I? Okay, then shall I stop this one?